Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech World with Prerna. So today I'll be discussing about the basics of Java and why do we need JDK to run any Java program. So stay tuned. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the topic. What is programming? So as we all know that we have to give instructions to computer in step by step to perform a particular task. So giving such instruction in a particular language is called programming. But do you know that what is computer's language? Yeah, so computer's language is machine language and computer stores the data in binary bits, that is 0 and 1. So as computer's language is machine language, so your instruction should be in such a way that the computer can understand. That should be in machine language. And a computer can understand anything in machine. So do you know that how computers store data? Yeah, so computers store data in binary bits, that is 0 and 1. So all the images, numbers, text and everything is stored in 0 and 1 in machine language. But the machine language is very difficult for us as a human being to understand. So we have a high level languages. So do you know what is high level language? Yeah, so high level language are Java, C, C++, Python, etc. So these are the high level languages which are very closer to human languages. So just a way like when we speak in English, we use grammars. The same way the languages use command and syntax. So these high level languages, the commands are written using English letter, while the symbols like plus, minus, and multiplication are used for calculation. So these are the symbols which we use for calculations in any of the high level programming languages. Java is widely used programming language which is owned by Oracle. So anyone who is interested to write Java program need to download the Java development kit from Oracle website. JDK has two tools. One is Java compiler, another one is JRE. So Java compilers compile the code into the bytecode. JRE contains the inbuilt library, the codes and functions. And it also contains the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. JVM has two primary functions to allow Java programs to run on any devices or operating system. Here we always say that it is write once and run anywhere. It also manages and optimizes program memory. When Java was released in 1995, all computer programs were written to a specific operating system and program memory was managed by the software developer. So the JVM was a revolution. So Java compiler compiles your code into the bytecode, which you can see as an intermediate code, which is not equivalent to machine language, but it is an intermediate code which makes it platform independent. And this JVM then it converts it into the machine language, which any of the computer can understand. So to convert any of your code from the bytecode to machine language, JVM is very much needed. Thanks for watching. Take care.